The Complete Lesson option in the NUITEQ Chorus AI Assistant lets you design a comprehensive, interactive lesson using the Symphony whiteboard. Your lesson can cover an entire topic and include a variety of digital media components to engage your students. To get started, select Complete Lesson, then click Get Started. On the next screen, begin building your lesson by entering a prompt into the text box. Below the text box, you'll find helpful tools to attach files, align your lesson to specific educational standards, dictate your prompt using voice input, or view example prompts for inspiration. As you type, the AI assistant evaluates the quality of your prompt, and you can even choose to let the AI enhance it automatically. Next, configure your lesson by setting a few key options. First, choose the lesson duration, either a single lesson or a multi-day unit. For single-day lessons, choose the desired length of the lesson. For multi-day units, choose the number of days. Then select the appropriate student age group. You can also choose the language for your lesson, as the AI supports a wide range of languages. Next, pick a difficulty level to match your students' needs. Finally, select the digital media components you'd like to include in your lesson. Options include reading material, watch content, podcast episodes, interactive activities, creative tasks, and assessments. You will see the credit cost listed next to each component. When you are ready, click the Create Lesson icon to move to the next step of reviewing your complete lesson. On the left of the screen, you have a variety of AI quick actions. These include scaffold the lesson, add more steps, add assessment, extend to multi-day, adjust difficulty, increase interactivity, translate language, adjust age group, and add engaging storyline. There is also a chat box to directly prompt the AI assistant using either text or voice. At the top of your lesson, you will see the title, which can be edited using the pen icon. Below that are the lesson steps and the depth of knowledge, or DOK. For each step within the lesson, you will see a summary of the activity, the level of DOK, and the required amount of credits. Use the pen icon to edit an individual step. The refresh icon will allow you to replace the step through AI Quick Generate or by creating a custom prompt. The X icon will remove the step from the lesson. Individual steps can also be reordered. Choose Add Step to insert an additional step at the beginning, within, or at the end of the lesson. These additional steps can be created through the AI Quick Generate or by writing a custom prompt. When you are ready to advance to the final step, choose Create Items. This will bring you to the final edit phase. Each component of the lesson has unique edit options. Choose Edit Activity to further customize the lesson components. For videos, you can preview the selected video, view additional video suggestions, or search for specific YouTube videos. For podcasts, you can listen to the audio and download the file. The transcript is also provided. Choosing Show for Students will include the transcript on the Symphony whiteboard. For reading materials and creative tasks, edits can be made manually onto the text. Use the toolbar to adjust any formatting or incorporate images and links. To the left of the screen, you will see the additional AI actions and the AI chat box to provide further customization. Individual lesson activities can be edited using the AI actions to the left. The settings icon will allow you to customize the activity information, settings, and background. Depending on the lesson activity type, additional edit options will be available. To navigate back to the main edit screen, select Finish Review or use the Go Back to Lesson pathway. When all edits are complete, select the Finish Lesson and Create Symphony button. Choose the Launch Lesson button to open your complete lesson on the Symphony whiteboard.